In the passage of the Gospel today, Jesus speaks to his disciples prophetically. Last 3 days, Gospel according to St. John, Jesus spoke many things to his disciples. Hardly they understood. Yesterday, regarding the Spirit of truth. And today, as Jesus continues to speak to them prophetically, they become grief-stricken people. 3 years, Jesus took them along with him. They saw the miraculous happenings. The sick people are healed. The lame walk. The blind see. Even the dead people are back to life. And Jesus says to them, I am leaving you. It's a loss. When Jesus leaves them, it is a loss for them. But Jesus says, if I don't go to my Father, you won't get the counselor. You won't get the advocate, the paraclete, the Holy Spirit coming from heaven. You won't get it. They are very ordinary people, disciples. They are very fragile. They have their limitations and weaknesses and iniquities. They expected a lot from Jesus, but his absence they could not accept. Thus they became grief-stricken people. Sin, righteousness, judgment. These are the 3 terminologies Jesus imprinted in their hearts to take you away from sinfulness, to make you righteous. At the end, you will be judged rightly and uprightly. This is a promise Jesus is giving to them through the coming of the Paraclete. So, my dear brothers and sisters, take this message the whole day to meditate upon, because with the Paraclete, with the Holy Spirit, everything for us to become crystal clear.